Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. No longer will you get drenched by your umbrella on a rainy day with this umbrella. Commissionable umbrella is from Owen Kyne. It is double layered. The outside is just of your standard black, but the inside is so artsy. It's of the painting Starry Night from Van Gogh, which is one of my favorite paintings. It's great to use for sunny days, but works best for rainy days. The best feature is the inverted design, so whether you're getting in and out of your car, you stay dry. And especially when you're getting into your car, you're not drenched from the rain that's on your umbrella. It's really easy to open and close. There's a red button you push down and you glide the umbrella all the way up, and when you're ready to close, you push that same red button and pull the umbrella down. It locks in place, and you can wrap the attached strap so it holds it together. And what's so great is the C-shaped handle, which allows you to be hands-free, and it stands up on its own. Genius. I love that this umbrella is double layered, so it's perfect for rainy and windy days as well as sunny days to block out those UV rays. Also, it is wind resistant. If you can see, it is very windy today, and I don't have to worry about my umbrella flipping inside out and breaking. And I do love that it is hands-free, so I'm able to hold a cup of coffee or a cup of hot cocoa on a rainy day, and that's my point of view.